Hello.
Hey, what can I get for you today?
Can I have a large cappuccino, please? With cream and sugar. Thank you.
Alright, one large cappuccino for the lovely lady with cream and sugar. What about you, my friend?
I want flat milk. Oh, no. Flat white with oat milks, please.
Alright, your coffee will be coming up at the counter over there. Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Coco's Language Club. In English, there's a saying, I want, never get, which means you don't get things by saying, I want. Because in English culture, saying I want can be a little too direct and impolite in some situations. So today, I love to share different phrases for talking about what we want. First one, I really fancy. For example, it's been a long day for me. I really fancy a good shower now. Second one, I could really do with. For example, you can say, it's not possible for walking there. I could really do with a taxi. The third, I feel like. When you say it, it's more like spontaneous desire. For example, when you hang around with friends, you can say, I feel like having coffee now. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I'd love to see how global our community is. See you next time.